Good evening, students and parents. Well, this is Anubhav Sinhal, Director, Universal Tutorials. I'm recording this video message to inform you of an important event that is happening, that is parent-teacher meeting. We have sent out invites to you, and I've also allocated special slots to you, wherein we are conducting the PTM across all our centers. These PTMs are happening tomorrow, the Sunday, and the next Sunday. But you have to check your branch and your time allocation for what time we have called you, because we've given individual slots to the parents. So please strict and abide by those timings. So during this PTM, it's a very important interaction where you'll get an opportunity to meet all your subject teachers, maths, science, social, English, and language teachers. And you will be able to meet them on a one-on-one basis and interact and find out how the student is performing. And if there's any feedback which the teachers have to give about the student, that will also be able to be possible. So it's a good opportunity. Try to make use of it. You have been given individual, we've divided the students in individual time slots. So my request is that please adhere to these time slots, because agar aap us time slots mein adhere karenge, you will get adequate time with each teachers. But in case you're not able to make it to that time slot, please get in touch with the central contact number, Mrs. Harsha, and she would make suitable amendments. This PTM is being conducted over 2 Sundays, that is next Sunday, tomorrow, that is 20th of August and 27th of August. But for you, it will be only one slot. So like tomorrow on 20th of August, it's Kharghar students and Nerul students who are going for PTM, and the next branches are going for PTM in the subsequent Sundays and Saturday. Please make sure you follow all the schedule and the slot which has been given to you. In any doubts, please call the central WhatsApp number, my academic advisor, Mrs. Harsha. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.